Okay, sometimes they may bring for you tables. Okay, a table like this, they can bring for you tables. Okay, an example would be like this table. I'm just trying to make you understand. Okay, yes, and then there may be another one down here. Okay, just trying to give you a pattern so that you understand the way they come sometimes in statistics. So it can come like this. For example, here on top, this table, they can say amount there. Okay, they can put amount, and then they put for you a variation. They can say 10 less than or equal to 20 there, and then this one they can say 20 greater than, then x there, less than or equal to 30, for example. So this table can actually go, it can be longer. Okay, they can give you this first. Here they can say this one is for days. Okay, this is number of days. So here they can say, for example, 20 days. Here they can say 50 days, for example. Have you seen? And then here down also, it can also have amount. Okay, and then here also number of days. But the one down can be blank. It can have one blank space or two blank spaces, so that you know how to find the pattern. Okay, so the pattern can be, they can give you okay, let's say on top, let's say they just put 10 there they put less than, greater than 20. My concern is the number down. I just want you to understand something. So here they can put for you 0 there, and then they can ask you to find it. Okay, because of space, I'll continue this table on top. This table is continuing. Okay, I'm going to continue it the other side of the next page. Even this table is continuing. Don't get confused. I'm continuing it the other side. So here it's 20. Yes, 20. I'm continuing this table on top, and because there's no space here, so I'm continuing this table on top. So this table can be like that. It's continuing. Okay, so it is like this. So the numbers are continuing. Even the table down is continuing. There was no space, so I'm continuing both. I'm just trying to teach you a certain principle so that you learn. So sometimes they can say we ended on 2030, so here to be 30 greater than, less than 40 there, and then here it is 40 greater than, less than, and then 50 here to be 50 greater than, less than 60. Okay, so the number down here, let's say it's 55. Okay, the number here it's 70, and then 60 here. Okay, same thing down there. They can say greater than 30. Okay, let me see. Yeah, greater than 30, greater than 30, greater than 40, greater than 50. Okay, yeah. However, these numbers down here, for example, here they may put for you, let's say 70 here. They can put for you 70 here. Okay, and then they ask you you don't know what is missing in this one. They ask you to find what is missing in this box. Okay? What numbers are missing in these boxes? Okay? What you do is you go back to the two tables that you are using. You look at the pattern. Have you noticed that for us to get this number here, they were making an L. They are adding this top number here, 20. They add it with this 0, and then they go like this. That's how they are getting 20. Have you seen? So it means the top number 20 plus 0, they get 20. Have you seen? So this number here down, which is 20, they add it with this 0 down here. In the next table, there are two tables, the one on top and the one down. So it means 20 plus 0, it's 20 plus 0, it is 20, which is 20, which is here. Same thing again to get the next number this side, in the next box on the other side. Again, they added 50. They added what? They added 50 here, this 50 on top, plus this 20. When they go this side, in the next page, you find that they got how much? You see, they've got 70. Have you seen? 50 plus 20 is 70. Meaning to get this number here in the next one, I'm supposed to add 55 plus 70. I'll get the number for here. So 55 plus 70 is 125. You see, 125. That's how you get that. Same thing, when I want to get the next box again, I'm going to add what? This number here, which is 70 plus 125. I'll get this one here. So 70 plus 125, it will give me 195, which is 195, like that. You see, that's how you get these numbers. So roughly, they can ask you that because you may not know the pattern. You have to know the way the pattern is going. They're just simply adding the number on top plus the number on top in the first box, the number down in the first box, which is 55, plus the number down in the second box, which is 70, and then they got 170 or 125. Same thing again, 70 there, as you can see, 70 is here. 70 is here. I mean, 70 there plus 125 here, you get 195. That's how you solve this. So sometimes they ask such kind of patterns. You find that there are two boxes. There is the one on top and the one down. And you find that the number down and on top, they form a pattern. They form a pattern. That's a little about how these pattern things work. Okay? After this, sometimes they can even ask you to draw a graph. Okay? They can ask you to draw a graph. Okay? They can ask you to draw a graph. So roughly, that's how you do it. Okay? That's just about the pattern.